The xMatters mobile app is the easiest way to receive notifications in xMatters. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the mobile app on Android and start using xMatters on the go. To install the xMatters mobile app on your Android device, start by visiting the Google Play Store and searching for xMatters. Tap on the app and install. After the app is installed, open it and you'll see a prompt to enter xMatters host information. Your host name is your company name followed by .xmatters.com. If you're logged into the xMatters desktop, it's easier and faster to log in using the QR code. On your xMatters desktop, go to the My Devices page and click Add Device, Mobile App. In the mobile app, tap Login with QR code. Give xMatters access to the phone's camera and scan the QR code displayed. And that's it, you're ready to go. You're now ready to start using xMatters from anywhere. To try the mobile app yourself, sign up for free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving this video a like and subscribing. Have a great day.